Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:, then hit enter. Then type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren C:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.